In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods Pro to your PC. Now the steps are fairly simple. So first, you're going to want to go to your search bar and then type in Bluetooth settings and then click on your Bluetooth and other devices. And then this brings up your Bluetooth settings where you can connect any Bluetooth enabled device. So first, we're going to want to click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device, and then click on Bluetooth. And then on your AirPods Pro case, you're going to want to open it up, and you can see here the green light that it's paired to another device. Now I'm going to want to click and hold the button on the back. And then when I hold that button for a few seconds, the light on the front should be blinking white. That means it's enabled to be paired to any device. So you can see here on the Bluetooth settings that it's opened and ready for me to pair. So now I click on that and it'll connect my AirPods Pro to my PC. So now that it's connected, you can see the green light is enabled. So anytime I open this up and put in my AirPods Pro, it'll be connected to my PC. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.